wake up at 1 a.m. or do you sleep the whole night? Some people wake up in the middle of the night without any apparent reason. Is this your case? If you are like this, know that other people go through the same thing. Sleep interruptions are common when there are worries in your life, constant thoughts, or during a stressful situation. But other times, it happens without any reason. And what about when you wake up precisely at 1 in the morning? There are some explanations for waking up involuntarily at this hour. We recently made a video explaining why you should sleep before 11 p.m. Did you watch it? Go watch it. It is super interesting and you will like learning why. According to traditional Chinese medicine, all people have energy waves in their bodies. Each energy wave is released by a different organ in specific moments of the day. When there is a physical or emotional issue, these signs are sent with more intensity, which causes the person to either get sleepy or lose their sleep. So waking up at 1 in the morning might be evidence of something wrong with your health. According to this ancient medicine, people who wake up at this hour usually have gallbladder issues. 1 a.m. is when the body processes cholesterol and improves brain function. This is also when the liver starts to cleanse toxins, which could mean a liver problem. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. 1 a.m. is when the blood sugar levels are at their lowest. You develop anxiety and stress if you aren't sleeping or if you wake up at this time. This imbalance in your sleep is also linked to your daily habits, such as bad eating, alcohol, and smoking. People going through resentment, repressed anger, irritability, frustration, hate, rage, outrage, and bitterness in their lives are also prone to lose sleep between 1 and 3 in the morning, since the liver is associated with anger. To recover and strengthen the energies that favor happiness, you should seek professional help as soon as morning comes. It is incredible how the body can send us different signs about our physical and emotional states, so we must all learn how to listen and recognize these signs to improve our lives.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.